Product zone today we have is the window boxes, the iron hanging flower rack basket. It comes in two different size, 4 mm thickness, 3 cm width rack. So you can see we have the longer one and we have a smaller one, which is amazing set. And this you could hang on your windows, or you could hang it on any fence or any corner you have. So I'm gonna unbox this and show you how it looks. Let's see what's in the box. Don't forget to check in the description box below for price and details more about this product. And I gotta tell you, this is heavy duty. This would last for years. Just take care of your stuff. Comes with a little assemble guide right here. You could see it's really easy and simple to just hook on, and it comes with some bolts and stuff. But this is a good company, and this thing is amazing. It's gorgeous. It's beautiful. Listen, if you go in a store, you're gonna pay 10 times the money just for that single one. And this is an amazing set for a really good price. Check in the description box. And these are iron, like really hardcore, heavy duty, solid. I mean, really good, made really well. Reviews is good, and I'm gonna put this together and show you how it looks on my garden fence. Finish assemble both of them. You can see how beautiful they are, just like the picture right there. Beautiful. It's very sturdy, heavy duty. I loved about how deep it is. This is about at least 4 or 5 inches deep, enough for the soil, and if you pour water in here, it will leak through. It will go through, so that's a plus for your soil. Good drainage, and you can see how amazing the design and the pattern. And this right here, which I'm loving, you could unscrew this lightly and move this. Show you guys right here. Unscrew that, and we can move it. So it depends on the size of the windowsill that you're gonna put it in, or your garden fence. This will expand, and then tighten it up. I'm going to show you on my fence, and then you tighten this up, and it holds really strong. You don't have to worry about snow in the wintertime or heavy wind with this. It's very strong, heavy duty stuff that will last for years. I'm going to put it on my fence to show you guys. Don't forget, price and details in description box below. How beautiful this basket is right here. Look at this, beautiful. And as I was telling you guys right here, you could adjust it, and it's it's strong. It's strong because of this part right here. It's really iron, and I love it. So it's fall time right now, and I cannot fill them up with stuff, and I cannot wait to do this. So next spring I will be adding in a bunch of different wildflowers maybe in here. Wildflowers are beautiful, or whatever you want to plant, you could plant them in here. In product zone, we get honest review. If this thing was crappy, I would have let you know it's crappy and it's plastic. No, this is iron. It's heavy duty, strong material. Give it a thumbs up on product zone. Don't forget to like, subscribe on more upcoming videos. We got all the products, reviewing and testing out product for you guys, seeing the product before you buy it, know what you're buying. Sometimes some company don't make good stuff and they call good price, but this is outstanding. Really, really well.